Hi, this is Nick with the Jenkins Group, powered by eXp Realty, and today I'm going to talk about why your home may not be selling in this market. So if you're a homeowner in today's market having trouble selling your home, know that you may not necessarily be alone. Although the market is hot and there is limited inventory, there are still homes that are sitting on the market, and usually it's because of one of three things, which I'm going to get into today. Number one is the pricing problem. Now, homeowners always want to get as much as they can out of their home, and a lot of times you want to leave yourself a little bit of room to negotiate. This is one pricing strategy that I always discuss with my clients, but there is a downside to it as well, which is that sometimes buyers are going to be comparing your home with other homes on the market that are at a higher price range than yours, and thinking that likely they're not going to be able to purchase your home for less than the asking price because the market is so hot and the average home is selling for asking or above at the moment. So what this ultimately leads to is that buyers are turned away from your home before they ever get the chance to really consider it. And then as time on the market starts to stack up, buyers are going to see your home as a potential opportunity to negotiate a lower price for themselves. So you're going to start getting lowball offers. So ultimately, while you can consider this strategy, sometimes it ends up being a situation where you're kind of shooting yourself in the foot by overpricing your home from the beginning. The second problem is the product itself. Yes, the home. Now, what is the first impression that you're giving buyers is one factor. Second is, what is the condition of the home? Is there work that needs to be done? So take into account what buyers are telling you in their feedback and really pay attention to things that are popping up over and over again. Another thing that can help you identify problems with the condition of the home before you ever even put it on the market is to have a pre-inspection done and to consider addressing those items before you go on the market and working with your real estate agent who's a professional and knows what issues are going to be most concerning to buyers to address those in a strategic way. Finally, and very importantly, is the marketing plan that's being used to expose your home to as many buyers as possible. When your home is in front of as many buyers as possible, you're going to get the opportunity to maybe receive multiple offers, to be able to use that as leverage when you're negotiating with offers that do come in, and ultimately just to find that right buyer who is going to pay the most for your home. So it's very important that your home is getting exposed to as many buyers as possible. You need a strong and aggressive marketing plan. And while it may have worked in the recent past to just put a sign in the yard and put it on the MLS and buyers would just come flocking to the home, the market is hot now, but it's not hot enough to do very little marketing and sell a home. You do need to work with somebody who has an aggressive strategy to get your home exposure. Now, that strategy is going to include things like social media, open houses, potentially staging the home, and getting professional photography done. These are all very important factors to consider when you're looking at a marketing plan. Ultimately, every home is unique, as I always say, and there are many factors that can affect the ability to sell your home. So if you are struggling to sell your home, talk to your real estate professional about it. If you're thinking about getting your home listed, make sure you talk to a professional and address the things that might cause challenges for you before you ever get on the market. As I said earlier, you don't want to sit on the market for a long period of time because buyers see that as an opportunity. So let's talk if you have a unique situation. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.